Okay, welcome back for a very quick update. I got home from work today and just started to get right into some demo on the barn. And as you see, that's where we finished siding, and I've got all the siding pulled off and some kind of demo done all the way down to, to get this stupid tree out of the way. The tree will be cut down sometime, but so I'm all the way to the corner of the barn, and not as bad as I thought it would be. I think this corner post is going to stay. It does have a little termite damage, but it's not really very deep at all. And even that cross brace, I think, is going to stay. That's solid. The horizontals are trashed. So the next thing I'm going to do is get some more ports in here for that joist, because that horizontal's got to come out, and that joist because that vertical 4x6 is just like the last one. It literally stick my finger in it. So that's what we have going on right now. So got some stuff supported back there as well. The other two joists, the one is right up next to, get in here so you can see. This one here is right up next to this beautiful new 6x6. Excuse me, girls. Sorry. Right up next to the 6x6, but you see the rot I have on this. But obviously, with all the boards in, I'm not going to be replacing this joist right now. There's also some damage in the middle. You can probably see it off there. So this joist will be getting changed out. There may be a couple other ones as well. I think what I'm going to do for a temporary, just so I can kind of move on, is I'm going to take one of my 6-inch screws, a couple of them maybe, and just hit this solid portion up top here and drill it right into the 6x6 as a temporary, so I can keep on keeping on. This joist is good. You see that's still nice and clean. 100 years old, but looks like it didn't get any kind of damage at all, at least not on this end. So that's good. I've got to get that post, that 6x4 out of there, replace some more base plate moving down, so that way I can get a 4x4 underneath this joist that's hanging out and get that support off of there. So you see it's little by little, but the bottom line is I'm going to get that 4x4 in under here. Not today. This will be Friday. Friday will do a lot of this stuff. I may cut out the base plate tonight, but get a 4x4 under there, get the horizontals going over here, tack that joist in for later replacement. I just want to get the outside done, you know. Get 2 horizontals in over here, then things will be pretty solid. And I'll get a jack in here and get this 4x6 replaced. I've still got 2 sitting over there waiting. You can see that horizontal's got to come out. That's trash, probably from termites from this side over here. I'll probably leave. Now that horizontal's going to come out too. That 45 will stay. That's solid. Anyway, you get the idea. Just moving along here. Just want to give you an update because I didn't do anything at all so far. I've just literally been pulling boards off, setting some aside for guys that are interested in having them for woodworking projects and stuff. So moving right along, almost getting ready to clean up. I might do a couple more things to cut a few things out here. The next video I will make will be a pretty good full-length one on Friday. I have Friday off, so I'll put the kids on the school bus and I'll get to work out here. And my goal for Friday is to get at least down to that 4x6 replaced and sided, and maybe even get some of the stuff in the corner done. That's going to be a little sketchy because that's all up there in the corners, all mortise and tenon. But the other good news is, I forgot to say this, is that beam going across the top on this end is solid. It's got really hardly any rot at all. Just a couple little slightly rough spots, but I don't think it's worth taking it out. It's a 12-footer. And I think I'm going to just double check and make sure, but it's probably going to stay in, which will make things easy because changing those out is a pain. It's not too bad changing out one of these posts. I just got to get my post jack in there and hold it in place and just, you know, cut it out. But anyway, that's what's going on. That's the update. Thanks for watching, and I'll get another one up here, a good one on Friday. Have a good night.